I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, speed, distance and time. We know that some objects move faster than others. For example, an aeroplane travels faster than a train. A car travels faster than a cyclist. A bus travels faster than a scooter. Now let us consider an example. The distance between Delhi and Jaipur is 250 kilometers. A bus starts from Delhi at 6 am and reaches Jaipur at 11 am. Find the speed of the bus. Here, the distance between Delhi and Jaipur is given 250 kilometers and time taken is what? 11 minus 6 is equals to 5 hours. 11 because it reaches Jaipur at 11 and it has started its journey from Delhi at 6 am. Okay, so the time taken is 5 hours. So distance travelled in 1 hour is a distance covered by the bus upon time taken. Okay, so 250 by 5 is equals to 50 kilometer. We call distance travelled by the bus in 1 hour as its speed. Thus we say that the distance covered by a moving object in a unit of time is its speed. And speed is equals to distance upon time. And speed in kilometer per hour, distance in kilometer and time in hours. Okay, kilometer per hour, this is the unit of a speed. Okay, whenever we are finding a speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, and speed in meters per second when distance in meters and time in seconds. Okay, these units of a speed depend upon units of distance and time. If the distance is measured in kilometer and time is measured in hours, the speed will have its unit as kilometer per hour. If the distance is measured in meters and time is measured in hours, we have its unit as meter per hour. If the distance is measured in meters and time is measured in minutes, the speed will have its unit as meter per minute. Okay, remember that, student. Okay, if the distance is measured in meters and time is measured in seconds, the speed will have its unit as meter per second. Okay, now to express a speed in different units, often it is required to express a speed in terms of smaller units like meter per minute, meter per second. For this, we need to know the following conversions. Number one, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. We all know that. Okay, and 1 meter is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. This also we know that. Okay, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hour. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minutes. So speed, whenever you are converting speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second, what will you do? See, 1 kilometer upon 1 hour, 1 kilometer by 1 hour. You know, 1 kilometer, in 1 kilometer there are 1000 meter and in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. Okay, now it will cancel out 5, 18. So 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, whenever you are converting a speed kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, so we can convert a speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second multiplying a given speed by 5 by 18. Okay, in the same way we can convert speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour by multiplying given speed by 18 by 5. Okay, so whenever you will convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, what will you do? You will multiply given speed by 18 by 5. Okay, for example, here example is given 72 kilometer per hour. We have to convert this into meter per second. So what will we do? 72 into 5 by 18. Okay, now 18 ones are 18, 18 fours are 72. So 20 meter per second. Okay, and when you are converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, what will you do? You will multiply this speed by 18 by 5. 5 fives are 25 and 18 fives are 90 kilometer per hour. Okay, let's take example 1. If a car travels a 300 kilometer in 6 hours, find its speed. Okay, distance is given, time is given, we have to find out the speed. Okay, do you know the formula of speed? How do we find the speed? We know that speed is equals to what? Distance upon time. Okay, speed is equals to distance upon time. Distance is a 300 kilometer and time is 6 hours. Now 50 what will be the unit? Kilometer per hour. Okay, Example number 2, an aeroplane travels a distance of 1600 kilometers. This is distance and this is time. 2 hours 30 minutes. So we have to find its speed. Okay, first, but time is given in hours and minutes. So what will you do? You will convert this into hours. Okay, so 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's already in hour. We will convert this. You know, 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 hour. So 330 by 60. Okay, 1 by 2. So 2 hour plus half hour is equals to 2.5 hours. That is, then change into improper fraction, 5 by 2 hours. Okay, now put all the values in the formula. Formula is speed is equals to distance upon time, right? Exercise 14.1. Nisha traveled a distance of 350 kilometer. Okay, distance is given 350 kilometer in 4 hours, means time is 4 hours. Find the speed of the car. We have to find the speed. Speed is what? Speed is distance upon time. Distance is 350, time is 4. Okay, now cancel this out. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 15. Okay, when you will divide this, you will get this answer. See, let's divide it. 2 8s are 16, 1, bring down 5, 2 7s are 14, 1, put a dot here or decimal here and 0. Okay, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now, so the speed is 87.5 kilometer per hour. Now, you will do practice of the remaining questions. Okay, now, if you have to find the distance when speed and time are given, so we have this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time, right? And distance is time into speed. Okay, let's check out example 1. How much distance will a car travel in 4 hours? How much distance? Means we have to find out the distance and time is given 4 hours at a speed of, speed is also given, which is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, so what we have to find is, we have to find the distance, and formula of distance is speed into time. Okay, speed is 80 and time is what? Time is 4. Okay, 80 into 4 is 320 kilometer. Okay, and if you to find time when distance and speed are given, so we have this formula, time is equals to distance upon speed. Okay, let's check out example number 2. How much time will a train take to cover a distance? This time distance is given and speed is given, which is 70 kilometer per hour. So we need to find the time. So time, we have to find out time is equals to distance upon speed, and time is 5 hours. Okay, now difference between speed and average speed. When vehicles move, sometimes they move non-stop, but oftentimes they stop at places during the journey. While calculating the speed, we consider the actual time taken for the journey. Thus, speed is equals to total distance upon total time taken minus time of stoppages. Okay? And if you need to find the average speed, total distance traveled upon total time taken including stoppages. Okay, let's do example number 3. Find the speed and average speed of a train which leaves Delhi at 8 km and reaches Bhopal at 11 PM on the same day, covering a distance of 700 km. The total time for the stoppage is 1 hour between the stations. Okay, so we have, in this question, we have to find speed as well as average speed. Okay, so this train leaves Delhi at 8 AM and reaches Bhopal at 11 PM. Okay, and distance covered by the train is 700 kilometers. So we have to find the total time taken for the stoppage is 1 hour between the stations. Okay, see, distance is given to you, which is 700 kilometer. Total time, how much time it took? Total time 11 plus 4, that is 15 hours. Okay, and stoppage time, we have stoppage time is 1 hour. Okay, now what is the actual time? This is the stoppage time. Actual time is what? We will subtract the stoppage time from the total time. 15 minus 1 hour, that is 14 hour. Okay. So this is the actual time. So we have to find out the average speed. First, average speed is total distance traveled, which is 700 kilometer upon total time taken including stoppages. So total time taken was 15. Okay, and this, then if you divide this by 15, you will get this answer, which is 46.7 kilometer per hour. Now we have to find the speed. Speed is what? Total distance, which is 700 upon, if you remember, total time taken minus time of stoppage. Okay, total time taken minus stoppage is what? 14 hours. Okay, and after dividing this, you will get this answer, which is a 15 kilometer per hour. Right, students? Similarly, you will do other examples also. Okay, exercise 14.2. How long will Sonu take to run a 300 meter if his speed is 20 kilometer per hour? See, this is distance. Distance is what? 300 meter, and speed is what? 20 kilometer per hour. We have to find the time. How long will Sonu take to run a certain race? Okay, a 300 meter race. So time is what? Time is distance upon speed, but distance is in meter and speed is in kilometer per hour. First, we will convert a speed into meter per second. So whenever we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we divide by 5. We multiply by 5 by 18. Okay. Now, 2 tens are 20, 2 nines are 18. So 50 upon 9. Okay. And when you will divide it, you will find what is the answer. 9 fives are 45. 5. Then 9 fives are 45. Okay. Then again 50, 9 fives of, okay, it will never divide completely. Okay. So we will take a 5.55 meter per second speed. Okay, students. Now we can find the time. Time is what? Distance upon speed. Okay, distance is 300 meter and speed is 5.55. Okay. So when you will divide 300 by 5.55, you will get approximate 54 seconds. Okay, approximate. So Sonu will take 54 seconds approximate to run a 300 kilometer race. Okay, students. Now you will do remaining questions of this exercise.